Hello children, today I discuss with you on the question answers part of the first lesson of class 3 English course book New Learning to Communicate. Today I will discuss with you on let's read and find facts. Students, I hope that you are very safe at your home. As you know that now the time is of lockdown and you must be safe at your homes. I hope so. Okay, now let's start the question answers part of the first lesson so that you can write them easily in your notebook and you get prepared for the coming examination. Okay students, now question number 1. What were the three children doing at the start of the story? Answer. The three children were playing cricket at the start of the story. Now 2. What happened to their ball? You know that? Answer. Their ball fell into an old well. Now 3. Question number 3. You see that what was at the bottom of the well? Answer is that there was a puppy at the bottom of the well. You know, you have read the story, you know it very well. They saw a puppy was lying at the bottom of the well. Okay students? Now 4. Whose idea was it to bring the puppy up in the bucket? Answer. Satish had the idea to bring the puppy up in the bucket. Okay, now 5. What was Rajni's idea in this plan? Answer. Rajni's idea in the plan was to give some biscuits in the bucket. Okay, that was the trick. Okay, now question number 6. What did the puppy do when the bucket lay at the bottom of the well? Answer. The puppy entered in the bucket to have the biscuit. Okay, now 7. Why did Satish shout, "No"? What happened after that? In the story, you know, at the climax of the story, what happened? Answer. Satish saw that the puppy had entered into the bucket and he shouted. Beginning of the story, I just have already showed you that picture. Okay students, and that is the thing. The puppy had entered into the bucket and he shouted. Okay, and the next part of the answer is that the three children pulled the rope and the bucket with puppy came out of the well. Okay, you know, the three children pulled the rope and the bucket with puppy came out of the well. Now the last question is that was the puppy well? Answer. Of course, yes. The puppy was all well. Now the question answer part we have completed, and the rest of the lesson I will write in the description box, so the students, you will remain in my channel and subscribe my channel so that you will get all the videos of your syllabus, and you must visit the description box. In the description box I write all the rest part of the lesson. Okay students, bye.